What they did for me, I want to do for you.
You've done quite enough.
How did you...
Not too hard to track, considering the bloody trail you two have left.
This is where you choose sides, once and for all.
No!
We've got to stop him. You don't understand. He's part of something bigger. He's using you, Robin, to get to me.
Right. It's all about the great Batman. Well, for your information, he sees something in me that you don't.
I don't have time for this. Now get out of my way before...
Before what?
Talon's right about one thing. The choice you make tonight will define you for the rest of your life. If this is what you want, then do it! Do it! Now let's go home.
My home isn't with you. It never was.